The overall goal of the following experiment is to observe changes in cell membrane charge after adherence to different material substrates. This is achieved by culturing the microorganisms in nutrient-rich medium to increase their numbers. Next, material surfaces that the microorganisms will adhere to are cleaned and functionalized for optimal microbial attachment rates. Then, the microorganisms are plated on the various material substrates to allow for Kelvin Probe Force Microscopy, or KPFM, imaging. The results show that material substrate type and its inherent charge have an effect on cell activity, as seen by changes in cell membrane charge and cell adherence.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like electrophoretic light scattering and isoelectric point determination is that KPFM allows for the examination of the charge of individual cells and biofilms instead of entire cultures or colonies. This is beneficial when wanting to compare cell-to-cell as well as biofilm electrical characteristics with high accuracy and precision.
To begin, prepare 5% sheep's blood agar plates. Streak the MRSA bacteria onto the prepared plates and incubate for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius to generate single, well-isolated colonies. Make 500 milliliters of tryptic soy broth supplemented with 1% glucose and 0.1% sodium chloride. Autoclave along with 2 clean glass test tubes and 1 box of 1 milliliter pipette tips. After allowing the medium and test tubes to